Everyone, very good morning. Let's go for our lesson for today. Okay, today we are going to learn about the properties of sound. They have two properties of sound, that is sound travels in all directions, and second, sound can be reflected. Okay, now look at here, sound travels. Faris, Taruni and Mailan can hear the sound of the bell ringing from an ice cream seller even though they are at different positions. Why? Okay, why they can hear the sound of the bell ring from far away? Okay, although they are at different positions, they can hear the bell ringing from an ice cream seller as sound travels in all directions. Okay, that means the first properties of sound can traverse in all directions. Okay, observe the situation below. It's recess time. Line up, friends. The class is over. We will continue tomorrow. Okay, that means the peoples can hear the sound from the class. So why can the peoples on the upper floor hear the school bell? Okay, so the answer is sound travels in all directions. Okay, we are going to the second topic. Sound can be reflected. Faris and his family have just moved into a new home, so no furniture. As he speaks in the empty room, he hears his voice again. Okay, how? How he can hear the sound from the empty room? Okay, when a sound hits a hard surface, it is reflected. Okay, understand? Okay, the sound direction. Okay, you can see here direction of sound travels to the hard surface and the sound reflect to the boy. So direction of the reflection of the sound also you can see here. Okay, look at other example of reflection of sound that occur around us. First one, shouting in a cave. The sound will reflect back to you. And shouting in a empty hall. Okay, now we are going to see the phenomena of reflection of sound. Reflection of sound happens all around us. It is used by humans and animals in various ways. What are the phenomena of reflection of sound that are happening around us? Let's go to see the phenomena. Okay, the first one is echo. An echo is a sound produced when a sound is reflected on a hard surface. That means the sound reflect to us. Okay, and look at here the second one, ultrasound. Ultrasound is a sound that humans cannot hear but can be heard by animals such as bats, dolphins and whales to navigate and detect the location of their prey. Okay, look at here, look at the bat. Okay, then when the animal hear the sound, the animal can save themselves from the prey. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, and number 3, sonar. Sonar is a technology that reflects ultrasonic sound to detect objects in water. So animals under the water can detect the sound. Sonar is a technology that reflects ultrasonic sound to detect object in water. Okay, sorry, the technology is in the ship. So they can hear sound to detect object under the water. Okay, based on the information above, you can give another example of reflection of sound that you have experienced. Okay. Okay, now look at the conclusion for our topic for today. We already learned about the properties of sound. First one, sound travels in all directions. Second one, sound can be reflected. That means when a sound hits a hard surface, it is reflected. Okay, number 3, we learned already about the phenomenon of reflection of sound. That is echo, ultrasound, and sonar. Okay, echo means reflection of sound. Ultrasound, the sound that the animal only can hear, and sonar is from the technology from the ship. Okay, now let's go for our exercise for today. Okay, today you have to do lembaran kerja 42. Okay, from your lembaran book. Okay, look at the question. Okay, number 1. Based on the diagram, how is sound produced? So, you look at here, this rubber band produce sound. So, the sound coming from the rubber band. So, you have to answer how the sound produced. B, what can be conclude about the way sound is produced? The way sound is produced. So, write there one conclusion. Okay, number 2. What is the property of sound that enable the sound of the whistle that can be heard by all the players and spectators? Okay, so you state here one property of sound that you learned just now. Okay. Okay, go to the lembaran kerja 43. This one also you do it in your lembaran book. Okay, question number 1. What is the properties of sound that produce echoes? Okay, and number 2, name the phenomenon. This one, you can refer your textbook. Okay, and B, what is the importance of the phenomenon to human life? That means, what is the importance of the phenomenon that shows in a picture? C, state one example of phenomenon of sound reflection used by animals. Okay, easy question, not too difficult. Okay, then after finish all your exercise, please PM the answer to teacher. Okay, lembaran 42 and lembaran 43. Okay. Thank you. That's all for today. Hope you enjoy our lessons and see you next week. Bye.